course, taken a look at some key developments from across the world. We're shifting our focus back to what is taking place within India. And first up, we're taking a look at what's happening in Prayagraj, where over 1 crore devotees have now taken the Amrit Snan at the Triveni Sangam in Prayagraj, marking the auspicious Makar Sankranti festival during the Mahakumbh. Now, despite bracing the cold and dense fog, lakhs of people gathered to take part in this holy dip. Meanwhile, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has extended his wishes on this very special occasion, calling it an incredible sight to witness the vast number of people participating in the Mahakumbh. And you can see those visuals on your screens of the sheer number of devotees that are gathered in Prayagraj, who are in fact taking the dip in the holy Ganga river. This, of course, central to this practice, central to this tradition is the belief that this dip can help people attain liberation from the cycle of birth or death that is also known as moksha. Of course, it's a grand spectacle of spirituality that is taking place in Prayagraj at the moment. The Kumbh Mela is held once every 12 years, and the Mahakumbh, which of course signifies a very, very rare celestial alignment between the sun, moon and Jupiter, is now taking place after 144 years. So you can see the sheer number of people that are gathered on the ground over there. And speaking of what's happening on the ground, my colleague Rajiv Sharma is joining us live from Prayagraj. Rajiv, what's happening? We've spoken earlier in the day as well, but what's going on right now? We're getting some updated numbers that about 1 crore devotees have already taken the Amrit Snan on the auspicious occasion of Makar Sankranti. We are in fact spoken to a lot of devotees earlier in the day who said that they went as early as 4:30 a.m. in the morning, bracing and braving the biting cold. And what's happening right now? Take our viewers through the scenes on the ground.
Yes, exactly, Pia. You said it right. The numbers are rising, numbers are going up. Yesterday, as far as Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Mr. Yogi Adityanath is concerned, he said 1.75 crores took holy dip yesterday. But today by 11, it crossed 1.5 crores and it is expected to rise over 5 crores by the evening. That means 5 crores in just 2 days. This whole Mela will go on for 2 months. That means the 45 crore figure, which was earlier expected, may be crossed or may be beaten like anything. We are seeing the number of people, they are coming back from Sangam Ghat after that holy dip. Numbers are rising. The bridges are closed. 10 kilometers barriers is raised now. Nobody, no buses, no trucks, no heavy vehicles can cross that 10 kilometers bar and enter inside Prayagraj. What's your good name? क्या नाम है आपका?
Sir, Abhishek Malvi, sir.
Abhishek, from where you are?
Sir, I am from Ganj Basoda.
Ganj Basoda. So,
Vidisha.
Vidisha Jila.
जी सर.
How's the facilities here?
Sir, very good
सब
facility.
ठीक है यहाँ पर?
बस ट्रांसपोर्ट प्रॉब्लम है सर थोड़ा।
वो तो होगी क्योंकि लोग इतने ज्यादा आ रहे हैं। आज ही शाम में 5 करोड़ लोग होने की पूरी चांसेस हैं। अब तक 1.5 करोड़ नहा चुके हैं आज के दिन।
हाँ नहा चुके हैं।
कोई कमी आपको लग रही है यहाँ पर?
बस वही ट्रांसपोर्टेशन का ही है थोड़ा इशू, तो उसमें थोड़ा दिक्कत आ रही है और कुछ नहीं।
चलिए। Let's talk. Can we talk? Can we talk? Yes, yes. What's your good name, sir? What's your good name, sir? What's your good name, sir?
Kurt.
Good. How's this? How are you? Are you enjoying Kumbh festival, Mahakumbh this time?
Yes, I'm the first time here. And
time?
yes, yes.
You haven't been earlier in this Mahakumbh festival.
No, never. And I enjoy very much. Yes, yes.
Which country are you from?
From Switzerland.
Switzerland.
Yes.
See, 40 crores people, devotees, are expected to visit this place within 2 months of span. That is third largest population in the world. So managing that is challenging task. How do you feel?
Yes, it is not so easy, and you have to prepare 1 year before to get a hotel and all these things, and you need someone who can translate. For example, it's him. For me, yes, yes, yes.
But do you know about Mahakumbh? The story behind it?
Yes, I know this. Yes, it is from these three rivers. Yes, and this at the end is
This
here.
is basically based on celestial clock of Jupiter. Jupiter completes sun's celestial in 12 years, one rotation, and
Yes.
it completes when 12. That is after 144 years. This thing is happening. A large crowd. Have you seen such a large crowd in Switzerland earlier?
No. In Switzerland, we even have not such a lot of people. We only are 8 million people, all Swiss.
So you enjoying? You getting pictures?
Yes. I send
Have you clicked?
every day. I send pictures at home.
And what do you do, sir?
I am a computer specialist.
Computer specialist. That means you must be having ideas about using AI in such a large gathering.
That's it.
So are they using AI? Have you experienced AI
Yes.
here in this Kumbh Mela?
In the Kumbh Mela, no.
You haven't seen that?
Yes.
So how long will you be staying in India or in Prayagraj?
Until the 19th, and then I will go back to Varanasi. Yes.
So that means from here to Prime Minister Modi's constituency,
Yes.
all the best. Thank you. Aapka shubh naam?
विजय वाजपेयी
Vijay ji, Bajpayee ji. How well you define this Kumbh Mela and preparations?
बहुत सुंदर है पूरा समागमन है हिंदुओं का जो हिंदू दब रहे थे उनका जो है मिलन हो रहा है यहाँ पर ये कुंभ है बाबाओं सन्यासियों का ये हमारा परम धर्म है यहाँ पे आना स्नान करना और इसकी ऊर्जा में अपने आप को जो है बहा लेना ये तो ऊर्जा है
There are saints. You must have seen those saints here in camps and in their cottages. A few, they don't wear anything.
Yes.
They say
Naked.
that ash is their clothes.
Yes.
So, how do you feel after seeing them?
For me, this is no problem because I know this earlier. Because I saw in magazines or so that this happens here. When I was child, I saw this even, and it is natural, and it is the religion. Yes, the understanding of these people. Yes.
And how many other stories do you know about Mahakumbh? This is 5,000-acre area, managing with full force of 50,000 police force, more than that 7,000 buses, shuttles, flights, and so many things. So budget must be huge.
Yes, it is very huge, but you have to find the silence here. Yes, and this is the tricky thing.
Did you find silence?
Yes,
Did you find peace here?
yes.
Please go on and experience more, sir. Experience more.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice talking to you, sir. So many people, those who are visiting from outside India, from inside many parts of India, Pia, you must have heard him. He said it very clearly. He is experiencing Mahakumbh Mela. Pia.
Indeed, Rajiv. Thank you for, in fact, speaking to the devotees. Of course, we've taken a glimpse at what's